Okay, we're in the airport. We can't get over how big it is. It used to be one baggage claim area. I swear. Okay, let's see. Ticketing. Now it's baggage claim after baggage claim. And it just goes on and on. Oh yeah, they got slot machines here, of course. Yep. Wait, I'm falling apart. Okay, here we go.
I got a plan.
What the hell? Okay.
Once you tuck it all the way over, you pull it. There you go.
Well, I don't want to break the darn thing. Here. Got this bag from the wedding. I don't want to destroy it. So we have to find Delta Airlines. Whoops. My God, I'm itching. Okay. Well, for a second I thought it was going to be quiet in here, but evidently not. So, Starbucks seems to be everywhere. I can do without that for a while. I have a lot of candy stores in here too, or in Vegas. Okay. So I think we need to go. Man, I'm so tired. I'm so dead tired. Can't even think. It's like a mall in here. I'm kidding you not. Well, at least we didn't leave dead broke like we normally do. We actually had quite a bit of money left over. Should we go downstairs? It looks like.
I don't know, Linda.
Look at down. There's Delta down there. I see Delta down there. Yeah, let's go downstairs. Get our tickets. Let's see. I'm going to turn this off because I got to go down the elevator. Oh, wait, there's an elevator. Escalator. So, I'll be back later. I'm tired.